Hello children, myself Sarita Shetty. Today we'll be doing second term portion of computer lesson number 5, MS Paint. Introduction. As you all know, MS Paint is a program with which you can draw and color different images and shapes using different tools. You can make lines, curves, freehand drawing, cartoons and many more things on it. Starting MS Paint. On the start screen, now I will be showing it on the screen how to do it. Click on the start screen. Okay. Now can you all see this here? Scroll it down till you get Windows accessories. Go to Windows accessories. Where is Windows accessories? Here. Go to Windows accessories. Click on Windows accessories. There you will have paint. Click on paint. Here is the environment of paint. Okay. Now let us see some of the tools in paint. This is pencil. Okay. This is eraser. This is brush. Here if you click, you will get types of brushes. Okay. Then this is line tool. Okay. This is rectangle. This is circle. Then it is also round rectangle. This is round rectangle tool. Okay. Then polygon tool, pie set which has. Then curve tool. This is curve tool. This is text tool. Okay, this is text tool. This is select. If you want to select something, this is select tool. Okay. We will continue with the paint environment. This is how the paint environment looks like. Okay, this is how the paint environment is. Now this is called as, you can see this is called palette, save, undo, redo buttons are there. Okay, this is called quick access toolbar. This is called quick access toolbar. Now let us go to tabs. We have file tab, home tab and view tab, right? If I click on home tab, see what can I see? Home tab. Where is home tab? It is located on the left side and below the quick access toolbar. When you click on this tab, what can you see? A menu will appear. In this menu, you can open a new or existing image. Save an image. Okay, save as, print, properties, exit. Okay, acquire from scanner or camera, send image through email, set a desktop background, current image, see properties and current image, exit paint. All these options are here. Okay, now tabs. In MS Paint program, home, view are the two tabs. Home and view. You have two tabs here. Can you all see this nicely? Home and view tab is there. Okay. In the home tab, you will see all editing tools. If I click here, this is home tab. All the editing tools are here. Okay. View are the two tabs. Right. Now we will see what is there in the view tab. If I click on view tab, okay, view tab, you will get zoom in and out, full screen, ruler mode. Okay, see ruler mode, grid lines, then thumbnail, how you want to see the images. This is thumbnail is here, etc. Status bar, full screen, all these options you can see in the view tab. Now let us see color palette. Where is color palette? I will go to home. This is called as a color palette. What it is called as a color palette. Color 1. You see this color 1. Okay. Color 1 box on the left side shows the active colors or the foreground colors. When you open paint, it always is black, always in black color. To change the foreground color, click on color 1 box and then click on the desired color in the color palette. Okay. Now for this I will stop the video, and in the next video I will show you how to resize the image. Here we will see how to resize object. Okay. Now from here I will take a circle, I will draw here. Okay. Then I will select, from here I will select. Okay, I have selected. Okay, now here you have resize option. Click on resize. How you want to resize? Supposing I wanted to make this small, suppose 50. Okay, skew it. Okay, suppose I will say by 20%. 20. Okay, now see this. Did you see this? So this is how you can resize. One more type you can resize. Select. Okay, select and hold this now. Okay, you can resize like this also. Okay, small and big you can do it. So this is how we can resize. Now let us see how to flip and rotate. What we will do first, go to select. Okay, now select the image. I have selected the image. What I will do is go to home, then select. I have done. Select the image by drawing mouse over it, dragging the mouse over it. I have already drawn it. Okay, then click on rotate. You see this rotate? Yes, this is rotate. Here you have options. Rotate 90 degree. If I click on 90 degree, okay. Okay, now if I say flip vertically, you see. So this is how you can do flip. Okay, now let us see zoom tool. Where is zoom tool? Do you remember? Where is zoom tool? It is in the view, right? You see here zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so zoom tool can be magnifying tool which is used to get closer and bigger look for your drawing. You can press control page up to zoom. You can also press control page down to zoom out the images and bring the image to the original. Suppose I say zoom out. Say zoom out. Okay, now I am showing you. I am clicking on zoom in. You see this? You see this? Okay, now I am pressing on zoom in. You see this? Okay, now see. Okay, understood this? Okay, now I will stop the video here. Okay children, now we will see how to crop image. Crop means cutting out the image. Okay, now I have already inserted the image. What you have to do is go and select. Okay, suppose this much bent in omnivorous I want to cut. What I did is I clicked on and selected the image. Now click on crop. Okay, now only the selected part of the image will appear. Rest everything got deleted. Okay, so what has happened? Only this much part is there and rest of the picture got cut. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now we will see how to copy and paste. Okay, now what will I do is first I will go to select. Okay, suppose I want to copy this much part. Okay, now I have selected, I will click on copy. Okay, now say paste. Now this much part, you see, I have pasted here. Where you want to paste? Here. Okay, again we will do, suppose how to copy. First select. Now suppose this one I want to select. You can see this one I want to select. I have selected. Then what will I do? I will go to copy. Okay, now then I will go to paste. Okay, see, this is how I paste, right? So you must have understood by now how to cut, paste, copy and paste. Now you can also do cut and paste. Suppose what you have to do before doing cut, paste, copy, paste, always what you have to do is always select. So click on select. Suppose this I want to cut, you see cut here, say cut, this much part is cut. Now again you want to paste it, paste, see this has come here. Okay, I will paste here again, right? Again you want me to show. Now select first what you want to select. Suppose this much part you want to select, then what you do, cut and then click on paste. This is how you cut and paste. Okay, so this is copy, paste and cut and paste. Now how to save? Click on file, go to save button. Where you want to save? Suppose you want to save it on the desktop. Here I will say standard 3 practice, PRAC. Okay, and then save. Okay, so this is all. Here we end the lesson. You have to go through the videos again and again to understand properly. Okay, thank you.